a boat, there will be a stream, means the stream is flowing just like any river or pond or like this way. Okay, now boat is sailing over that water body, right? So whenever I will take downstream conditions, my boat speed and the stream speed will be add up. What? Add up. You remember yesterday, add up yesterday when the directions are opposite side, right? Train directions, train directions are opposite side, so we will do this va plus vb, right? We are adding these speeds, but when they are in the same directions, we just subtract, right? Subtract. But that this funda is entirely opposite in stream conditions. Stream conditions, always remember that. Okay, so when I'm saying I am going moving to the downstream, downstream, so downstream condition is what? My boat speed will be add up to my stream, means the water body speed direction. Okay, but for the upstream they will be minus. Okay, boat speed will be minus to the stream speed. Okay, so stream conditions are entirely different to the train conditions. Is it okay to you, beta? So please read the first question. Timing is 6 hours, so I can easily calculate speed na. Now see, what is this speed? Can you tell me? This is the upstream speed, beta. This will be my upstream speed. Now calculate the downstream speed. Upstream speed. Now calculate the downstream.
Now downstream will be 5 km per hour.
Very good. We have 5 km per hour. But now see, I have to assume the speed of boat in still water. See, there is one conditions in every question that we have to calculate the still water condition. Still water condition means what? There is no movement, no streaming in the water. Okay. Okay, and there is one more condition that is called current water. Current water means that water that is not in a still conditions. Okay, so here we will suppose that let the current water will be, water current will be what? Suppose that it is C, and your still water, suppose that it is B. Still water, it will be B. Okay, we have to suppose these two conditions, beta. These are the two speeds. Okay, and I am calculating everything in kilometer per hour only. Now tell me, my upstream will be, beta, in these kind of conditions, my upstream become upstream will be what? Minus, minus, so it will always still water minus current water. Okay, and downstream will be always plus, always plus. So this is the core concept and idea. Okay, this is my core concept and idea. And since we already calculated these two things, now make the two equations. I told initially only we calculate the upstream speed and downstream speed. Okay, now using this current one and still water one concept, we have calculated, find out two different kinds of what? Equations. Now here we have two unknown variables. Now b and c are the two unknown variables. So I am just giving you the core concept that how many unknown variables we required, that many equations to solve these two unknown variables. Means if I have three unknown variables x, y, z, then I need three equations to solve, to find out. -4 is equal to 1, so c is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, c is equal to 1 by 2. Now using this c is equal to 1 by 2 here, what I will get? B is equal to 4 plus 1 by 2. What will be my answer? Tell me.